Today we are going to make those triceps burn. Okay, so today we have our weightless tricep extensions. If you would like, you can grab a weight and do these with them. That's totally up to you. I just wanted to give you guys another weightless move that you can do with no equipment. So today you really have to make really tight fists. Make sure that your thumb is over your fingers and that you are squeezing as tight as you can. You should feel your whole entire palm activate. Now we're going to bring our arms up and then you're going to drop them back behind your head, bring them up. Now make your body your own resistance here, so try to resist as you go down and resist as you go up. This is super duper important because that's how you're going to get the work. You're really going to feel this in your triceps. You might even feel this in your biceps a little bit. Really try to keep your shoulders down from your ears. I know they have a sneaky habit of rising up here like this, but really try to lower them down. Keep that neck nice and long and breathe. Really deep belly breaths here. Now, like I said, if you want to, you can do this with weights, but you shouldn't already be feeling it if your fists are really tight and clenched. Without it, you can do this anywhere. You can even do this on your lunch break at work because it requires no movement really. You can even do it sitting down at your desk because really the only movement is from your shoulders, your elbows. Just keep those shoulders down. Whew, I feel it burning. Definitely working on those triceps. Gonna make them into big strong muscles, just like my biceps. Whew. Good job, guys. If the burn gets too much, you can bring your arms down, shake them out, because I know sometimes whenever you hold your hands really tight, you can get a cramp in your fingers, so you can pop a knuckle or two if you need to. I always pop my pinkies. I know that's not good for you, but that's just what my hands need. And we're going to come right back up, making those nice clenched fists, up and down, up and down. So we are almost through with this challenge. I cannot believe that I have created my first 30-day challenge and we're almost done with it. I'm super excited about it. I've been really enjoying making these videos. I hope you guys are too. Whew. Really just breathe through that pain. Learn to love the burn. It's what we all work out for. Or maybe the euphoria of the feeling after the burn dissipates. And I know if you guys are sore, it's really tempting to take a day off. And if it's really that bad, then listen to your body and take the day off. Otherwise, really just try to fight through it. I try to make these so we're not working the same muscle 2 days in a row, except for when I did that with the abs. But I really try to vary it up for you guys so that you at least have 1 day of rest in between your muscle groups. Whew, I'm feeling this, and it is burning, but it's the good burn. Remember to breathe. Whenever it gets hard, most people have a tendency to stop breathing, so just be mindful of that breath. Think positive thoughts. We got 3, 2, last one. Whew. Shake it out. Good job, guys. You made it through. I'm so proud of you for joining me. I would really appreciate it if you would like and subscribe. Like I said, it would mean the world to me, and I cannot wait to see you on my mat tomorrow. Bye!